Before, after, before and after. Let me show you how to upscale your image quality in just few seconds. This photo has low resolution plus it's noisy and blurry. But in Photoshop Beta, there's a new feature that fixes this instantly. Go to the image menu and click to generative upscale. Here, choose your upscale level 2x, 3x or 4x. Let's pick 4x, then just click Upscale. After a few seconds, Photoshop opens the upscale image in new document. Let's compare the before and after. Much sharper and high resolution, but it still feels a little off. Let's fix that. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to copy and merge all the visual layers. Then right click and convert it to a smart object. Next, go to the filter, Neural Filters. Scroll down to Photo Restoration and turn it on. Adjust Photo Enhancement, Enhance Face, and in the Adjustment section, increase Noise Reduction, Color Noise Reduction, Halftone Artifact Reduction, and JPEG Artifact Reduction until the image looks clean and detailed. Click OK. And now look at this before and after. Compared to the original, it's a whole new level. Freaking awesome. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.